And tell me a bit about you. What is your goal in trading right now? What do you want to do with your 50 grand live account? What is your challenge right now?
Um, if you guys notice, I don't know if you guys notice in the back end, but if you notice, I have not traded the 50K yet.
I wanted to ask you. I wanted to ask you about that. Go ahead. Yeah.
Because I bought another challenge 200K, and I'm almost halfway through the first evaluation. I want to combine it because with my experience, I've gotten funded before, but I blew it in my journey. So I know that pressure trying to make money from 50K that can be substantial can make you lose the money. And the 5% max drawdown does not even make it possible for me to really trade and have my mindset correct. So I wanted to build it to a point that I can have leverage of 10,000, at least from 10,000 maximum drawdown, so that I can start trading and trade my style and trade normal without pressure, without trying to, you know what I mean, right? So that's why I didn't trade it, because I'm not trying to get money today. I'm trying to get money in the long term. So get the 200, combine it, merge it, is 250. That's 12,500 max drawdown. I can trade now with my mind right.
I like that. I like that. So that's not even the percentage. You're more like, okay, I got it. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. You're giving yourself a bigger buffer, and that's exactly what we want people to do with the 5%. That's exactly that. We want people to see, if they can be like, if they're not a gambler, like you said, if they can trade more conservative, because when you're trading a fund or you're trading for people, not everybody is the same. Some people, they are more conservative. And as a fund manager, as a risk manager, which is really what you're trying to become at the end of the day, when we're trying to grow people to become that, you need to be able to risk and manage fund for all type of fund and situation and investor. So that is exactly how we want people to react. Either start trading on the account right away, but risk less at the start, build a buffer, but you just like made another evaluation, which is great, as this better. So that's great. That's great.
So if you guys gonna stay for as long as possible, then you know I'm coming for that 2 million, right?
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes.
Let's go, man. We're here, man, because it's a live fund, and even though we're giving 90%, so we're just left with 10%, is not a lot. Well, if you're trading $2 million and you make a good return on $2 million, and we have 10% of that, it's big money right there. Yeah. So, right. And that's one trader, right? That's our goal, man. That we want to have 10, 20 trader like you that are saying, I'm going for the 2 million. And then we have like 20 million in our fund. And then if people on average are making 5% per month, that's freaking like 1 million per month. And if we got 10% of that, that's 100K for us in our pocket.
Yeah. Right.